Hi guys, Darren from Venom Art. Today I'm just going to have a bit of a play with the bloom. So I've got a 8-inch round there, which is MDF. I've already put the pillow paint down, which is British Paint Slow Sheen. Now I'm going to put down some mosh by this little piggy. Okay. Then I'm going to put down some sequins. No, I won't. I'm going to put down submarine by this little piggy. I think we might go with some hustle. It's a bit warmer here today in Australia, so the colours are starting to flow a little bit better, which is good. It's driving me nuts for the last month or so. This one is a Pearlex Sky Blue. I'll go with some Funk, which is Neon Purple. A little bit of that down. This purple goes pretty nuts. I might put down, what shall I use next? I might go with some what shall I pick? Good question. What do you want to use? I don't know. I'll go with some magenta from Barnes. Some neon blue by this little piggy. It's Rave. Might go with some metallic green from Artist Loft, I think it is. Move that a bit more into the middle. Then I think I'm going to put down some magenta, quinacridone magenta, which I've added a few little bits and pieces to. Just to make it a trippy colour. Some quinacridone red violet that I've messed around with as well. Little dot of that. Might go with a little bit of Pebeo blue-green. Blue-green. What are you talking about, Dad? I don't know. Pebeo green-yellow is what that is. Put a dot of that in there. Then I'm going to put some Amsterdam titanium white down on my cell activator. I'm going to put a blob of that. Then I'm going to put down my sky blue again. Over the top. Some homemade show pony, because I don't have the real thing, so I made my own. And then I'm going to go with Amsterdam Lamp Black. Actually, before I put the lamp black down, I'll just torch a couple of bubbles. Like that. Okay, lamp black. Okay, grab the mini blower. I'll just give that a bit more of a tilt over that way. Mini blower time. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that because I want to have a bit of a mess around with it. Tilt that over a little bit. Okay, going to grab my skewer and have a bit of a play. I'm going to drag some colours up into here. So, get the loop down out the way. Can drag some pillow paint up with it so I get a little white streak. So what I'm doing is just dragging through, give it a bit of a loop, that way we can mix the colours, get some cool patterns. Make it up as you go along. Just have a bit of fun. Some things turn out pretty cool, some things don't. No biggie. Just playing with some modifications, making some pretty patterns. As you spin them out, they'll all stretch and do crazy, weird and wonderful things. Like that. Alright, we'll give that a bit of a spin and see what happens. So make sure that's as close to center as possible. Actually, I might offset it because I want things to move a little bit that way. So just move it off center forward. Nice slow spin just to get the paint moving. The other way. Alright. Now we'll move it more into the center. Yeah, a little bit of a spin. You don't need to go crazy fast. Any bubbles that are popping up, just give them a pop. You're going to be left with little white dots. So what you do is, if you tap on the white dot, you can make it disappear. If you can't, then grab a different color, drag it through your dot. That way it looks like you intentionally put that pattern in there, when really you didn't. Hides a lot of boo-boos. So it makes the modifications fun. You can hide a lot of stuff with it. Okie dokie. That's looking pretty cool. Pop that up and we'll have a bit of a look. Where did I put my little pop up? There it is. There we go. So we pop that one up. We'll have a bit of a look. So there's the balloon with a mini blower. Just a bit of fun. Playing with some modifications. or little custom colours make it do some crazy things. So it always pays to scrape off underneath the edge. So any of those drips of paint, you need to get them off, otherwise it's going to drag your design off the top and elongate things and doesn't look pretty. So pays to do it now while it's sitting there like that. What I usually do is I'll put it on a level surface and leave it for about 15 minutes. I'll come back and check it and do it again. After that, you should be fine for overnight. Basically, your stuff will be reasonably dry by then, or at least touch dry, unless you're in Australia at the moment where it's done nothing but pour down with rain for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks, and everything takes forever to dry. So the more moisture that's in the air, the longer it'll take for your paint to dry. Alright guys, hope you liked that one. If you did, click like, share and subscribe. Ring the notification bell, that way you get to see all my videos as I release them. And you guys have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.